Congratulations on signing up for Textdrip. You're just a few short steps away from sending out SMS and MMS to all of your customers. Let's finish setting up by doing your campaign registry. Now, mobile carriers now mandate registration with the campaign registry, requiring everyone to register their EIN. This ensures compliance, helps validate your brand, and ultimately boosting your campaign's effectiveness. This is a way to legitimize your business, letting them know that you have a verified business with the IRS, and you can send SMS and MMS. This is also going to help prevent fraud and improve your deliverability. First, you can upload your EIN verification letter in PDF format that you receive when registering for your EIN. For our customers that do not have an EIN, please click on the link to the left and create one for free in less than 5 minutes. Now we're almost there. If you have your IRS PDF ready, go ahead and upload your documents here and then click on upload. Now we're almost there. Now once you upload your document, make sure all of your information here is correct. Now the only thing you'll have to do next is select your vertical type here for your business, and then you're going to have to put in 2 sample messages. My 2 sample messages I'm put in, I just have, "Hi, I'm reaching out regarding your request. Are you free for a call?" Reply stop to opt out. Next, I put in, "Hi, just doing a follow-up. Can I send you quotes via text?" Reply stop to opt out. Next, click on submit. All right, so you just got finished downloading your EIN information. So it's going to take you now to our step 2 page. Now, if you already have a domain, you're going to go ahead and just select option 2. If you don't have a domain and need to get one started, well, we can help you with that. Go ahead and select where it says purchase new domain. Now just give it a few seconds. It's going to automatically fill in your information from your EIN. So we just have to make sure we verify a couple of things from you. So your domain here has to be related to your business name on your EIN. You don't have to check availability unless you want to actually change it. Next, we're going to make sure that we select your domain here, and it's going to be online. And now you want to set your duration. This is going to be how long your domain is going to be available. So let's go ahead and go with 1 year. Once again, we're going to double check our information that's here and make sure everything is correct. Next, you're going to put in a quick picture of yourself. After you put in your picture, you're going to go ahead and put in a quick bio about yourself. Now that bio can be very short, just basically stating your name and what you actually do. Okay, I have my bio in. Once again, I'm going to just double check my information that's here. I'm going to go ahead and agree. Now, once I click on submit, it's going to ask me what type of domain or how I want it to actually look. So here are just some examples of your pages, how your customers are going to actually see it. I'm going to go ahead and select the first one here. After this, I'm going to check my domain verification that went to my email. Once I go to my email to verify and make sure everything is okay, at the bottom here, I'm going to click on submit. Congratulations, you're all set to go ahead and get started working on your Textdrip account. Now, in the meantime, while you're waiting on your EIN verification to get approved, you can go ahead and sign up for one of our Textdrip demo. Every customer gets a white glove onboarding session to help them to maximize their campaigns with Textdrip. Now, go ahead and get signed up today. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.